In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Store opens and closes immediately. First step is you want to come here and search for run, type in wsreset.exe, and this is just going to reset your Microsoft Store. Try and see if it works after doing this. If it's still not working, you can search for Microsoft Store here, right click, App Settings, then first press Terminate, then press Repair, and then press Reset. Check if it works now, and if it's still not working, the last thing we can do is come here and search for Services. In here press C, look for Client License Servants, double click and make sure it says Running. If it says Stopped, you want to press Start, Apply and OK. After that press M, look for Microsoft Store Install Service, double click, make sure it's set to Automatic, make sure it says Running. Again, if it says Stopped, you want to press Start, Apply and OK. Close it down and then restart your PC. After this should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.